the reason why I'm not personally at COP is very, very simple. The basic principle of climate justice that me and many other climate activists, that is the reason why we are climate activists in the first place, are completely incompatible with the COP29 being held in Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan, as previous people here on stage have said, is an extremely repressive state, a petrol state that is planning to expand fossil fuel production and is responsible for ethnic cleansing. It is absolutely nauseating, to say the least, the hypocrisy, the extreme hypocrisy that this climate conference, COP29, is being held in that country right now, and has been held in countries in similar situations the years before. Not only Azerbaijan is able to commit these horrible crimes and not being held accountable, but also they are given a pass and legitimacy and a platform on the world stage to legitimize these extreme human rights abuses and ethnic cleansing and greenwash this. And the world stands silent and gives them that opportunity time and time again, because of course this is not the only case. We need to stop pretending that having climate conferences in places like this, countries and states that are extremely repressing their own population, which many Azerbaijani activists that I've spoken to describe it as if they are living in a prison where their basic human rights are being stripped away from them as we speak, and are experiencing a continuous crackdown on civil society, and the voices who are demanding change are systematically being silenced and captivated. Also, as we have heard today, the ethnic cleansing that Azerbaijan is guilty of, and the continuous extreme hardships that many Armenians are facing because of the Azerbaijani military aggression, the torture, forcefully displacement, prisoners of war, hostages, and the ethnic cleansing and the extreme physical and psychological violence that people have experienced can in absolutely no way be justified. And the fact that the world continuously remains silent and let Azerbaijan greenwash these crimes is absolutely unacceptable. And another perspective is, of course, that Azerbaijan is a country completely built on fossil fuel production and are currently planning on expanding this production and exports. And the world that continues to import this fossil fuel from Azerbaijan and continues to be silent about these humanitarian crises is, of course, complicit. We cannot pick and choose which humanitarian struggles and which human rights abuses we are speaking up on, because if we are standing up for justice, that has to mean justice for everyone.